So yeah, can everybody hear me, see me, etc.? But I have to move my camera, I think, to the left bottom. Should be better. Type something in the chat if... I don't know if my chat is working yet. So, Bitcoin is interesting. Bitcoin is really interesting right now. We broke another significant level, but we did the same as what Bitcoin normally does. It snaps back up, so it's right back up here. And right now it's either reclaiming the 800 range, or it should just die from there. But yeah, right now nothing much is happening. I cannot enlarge my screen, that's also a bit of a pity. I must say that altcoins are responding really hard. Because if you look at Gala, what is recovering grounds from here is extreme. The same as OP has been showing a shit ton of strength. OP is one of the strongest coins out there right now. It's still up significantly, and even after that drop it reclaimed 3% of its range. And 3% reclaim is insane, same as APT. I have to refresh this. APT did the same trick. Like it bottomed out here and it's now reclaiming almost 2%. I have just one issue. I cannot read my chat. I don't know if it's not working or what's going on, but my chat is not working right now. But yeah, we have to deal with it. So yeah, what I wanted to do today, I wanted to start watching some SMC a bit more, because I'm doubling and playing with it quite a lot lately. I wanted to chart some coins and see if we can find some stuff and what's going on, because part is FUD powered again. That is what's happening a lot in the current market and in the current status of crypto. So part of the deal, but yeah, we were waiting for a correction, especially on a higher time frame. If we move to the 4 hours, we're still within this trend and we're still in this uptrend. So as long as I think we would tap 20 to 8-ish, so that would also be in line with the behavior. So we'll probably meet this, consolidate a bit, move back up again, and from here we can test 26 to 27k, but we need to have this inner move momentum. But it's still a pretty bullish structure that has not changed yet, and that won't change fairly easily. Wait, let me get USDT dominance and all the other charts up. UFC 100. Volatility index is slowly rising. S&P is quite leveled out right now, not doing much. USDT dominance is rising, but yeah, it's nothing super special. It's nothing extreme that's happening, and still Bitcoin has quite the room to go down more, in my opinion. They really have quite some more room, because we're now setting equal lows. So we either have to break this structure and really move below, or still nothing has happened yet. There's also a possibility, but yeah, we're not really... I'm not convinced yet that we will actually dump more. There has to happen quite a lot more for me to be convinced. even though on the 5 minute time frame it looks like BTC is breaking a bit, not a lot of the structure, but it's moving down again. What I like to do, I invert my charts because I prefer to long stuff, and honestly speaking this would look like a decent position to do this, because it has tested this structure, it has went back down, it has come up, so it would be a logical point to actually move into the other direction. But right now it's just holding, it's doing the same thing as it always does. It's like in the Discord we're calling it the crying wolf pattern. What we mean by it is like the Bitcoin is acting like it's gonna die, and then all of a sudden it just completely reverses and doesn't give a shit anymore, and it won't die, and it just comes back. Same as now in the 5 minutes. This had quite some volume. Volume is dying out. Nothing is really happening. So yeah, it's not that great movement to trade right now. If something, I'd be looking for longs, especially right now with the current behavior. Also, Gala is back at this hold level. Honestly, if Gala breaks this, could be a great trade up. Feels like it. Let's do it. Yeah, I'm taking this Gala long. 200, leverage 20, 0.04454. .04454. Leverage 20, 200 bucks. Yeah, this could be decent. This could be really decent. Yes, this looking solid. Come on, Gala, pump a bit more. 0.25% is not paying the bills. Bitcoin is stalling again at the 23.8 region, so ALTs will have some room to rally up again. That is of significant importance because ALTs always do this. They die harder, but they rally harder back up as well. And from that point onwards, it might be interesting. But Bitcoin is not really showing a lot of strength. Because Bitcoin honestly still looks like a decent short, especially because of this structure. Gala broke this level. Gala might actually continue up. Gala has a thing on his own going, which is nice for it, but yeah, it's not really in line with overall market sentiment. But Gala has been really, really strong, showing some significant strength. Why is my chat not working? That's really annoying. Oh, now you can see my chat. Hello, Crazy Banda, Ice, Prory, good morning man, Level Reset, yo, Downpour, yup, nice, Harsh, hey, Woyak, yo, you boss, how are you doing? Nicholas, yo mate, now I can finally see chat. That helps. That works. Now we can talk. It's way better. Way better. Okay, OP might actually be a great long, but I don't know yet. OP pumped like crazy, man. APT, I'm still holding my short. from 14.83. I'm still in it. Yeah. Yeah, grid 50 leverage. Yeah, OP is really, really strong. If OP can hold this level, it will be significant long. But it has to manage to hold this level, and that's tricky. Because Bitcoin is also still really tricky. Look, it broke the 800 again, so it's hard. So now I can talk, so tell me guys, talk to me. Hey, good afternoon Jeffrey. Claudia Danny, did you open the trade? Yes I am. Uma King, thanks. Who took Gala? I'm in Gala. I don't know for how long, to be honest. Depends on this a lot. Something I really don't like right now is the movement of OP. Yeah, actually it could be a great freaking long here. Yeah, I don't know. And for me it's too tricky right now. Bitcoin is playing with this 800 range. And last times we've seen this behavior, it tends to dump. Also historically, like stop on down and continuation downwards. Same as yesterday, in the end it will always follow through downwards. Gala's printing. BTC is in E. Yeah. Yeah, Gala's not much up yet. And I need at least like a 1% bump to be interested. Yeah, if anyone took OP, great job. That's a nice long. That's a really solid long here. If it now breaks this structure and it holds, that's gonna be awesome. Free trades in the live stream. Let's go. Let's go. To Gala, yeah, to Gala. Check audio. I'm waiting for giveaway. Yeah, giveaway will come, guys. It will be there. EDC will be sideways for a couple of weeks. I don't think so. I don't think so. Dan, why did I move? The thing with altcoins is altcoins behave differently. Like Gala's now making a run while BTC is still semi-consolidating. Like this run, percentage-wise, is a completely different ballgame. This is like a 1% move, and Gala here takes. Oh my god, I took the wrong one. This no. Let me get that. This right here is a 2.3% move. This one right here is a 4.3% move. So I need the volatility. I need the volatility. That's why I'm trading altcoins more, and I prefer to trade them more. It's just for me a better and easier way to trade and easier way to understand stuff. How is Bitcoin doing on? I need more volatility. Same with Scalp Scanner, like certain stuff, like now SDX is doing crazy stuff. Let's check that out. Have you had a look at ETH? Not recently. No, I think I have to refresh that chart. Yeah, that's how long I don't look at stuff. Yeah, ETH had a perfect bounce at my level. I had 1628 leveled off because of the origin level and because of the taps that it had. So I don't know, I might have had a limit order on Maxi still on it, but that's just perfect. That's really perfect. Especially catching a 1% gain. I always trade them on 50x, so that would be 50% gain. That would be nice. Great. SDX is the only thing that remains on rallying, and it made higher high, higher high, upwards momentum, nice step of the trend line, because I think if I draw a trend line from here, it's holding nicely above it, so it has room up, and here at the equal high point, if it sustains this one, it might actually hold here. Then at this point you can take a long on it, like have it a bit underneath here, because you want to give it room to take that wick, but I have to see with my risk management how much this is. It's, if you need 3%, yeah, no, I would not trade this. Maximum what I would go is do this on leverage 20, otherwise my risk management will not allow me to take it, because I tolerate a maximum of 15% or 20% drawdown on a coin. That's my risk management. It can only move like 10% or 1% for 20% drawdown. So if you want to trade this correctly, it should be set up here that it has this hold level, that it can bounce off. Then you need a bit lower, so your entry would be here. Then you have this hold of this wick, and let's see, is this a trade I'm comfortable with? Would I take this? With the current power, the movement that it's doing, good thing that we only charted this but didn't take it. Kala's moving down, so I'm got my if you took it, you can now exit at break even because it's still up. APT is moving back down again, that's good for my trade. BTC is not really losing strength, I think more or less just volume. Let me see if I can pull that up. Where are you? Excel charts. Yeah. Should look for charts at high, slow, try to buy even higher. How do you mean try to buy, man? I don't know if you guys can see my Excel charts now. This is the value area, the point of control is way up at 24, daily open as well, value area high as well. So that's a bit tricky. That's a bit tricky. Yeah, this is a lot of volume. There's a lot of contradicting volume as well. And then okay, you guys see my Excel charts? Please let me know in the chat, otherwise I'm talking to myself. It's a bit weird. Volume is there, Bitcoin is actually having still quite a bit of sell pressure going. Actually, it's a lot of sell pressure. If you look at the development of the deltas, like this is a big delta down. But I cannot tell yet if it will lose it or not. Like that one is holding quite well. That makes it tricky. The volume is coming in for push lower because we have huge gaps filling here. So that might be eligible for another drop. Actually might be. Jeffrey, are you okay, buddy? Are you okay? Oh, don't cry, man. It's not worth it. No, I'm not. Oh, fuck, man. I feel sorry for you. I feel sorry. I really do. So we're having the delta, we're having the volume coming in. It looks like another leg down if it doesn't reject here, because this is quite a negative volume. What is hybrid saying? 23.5 is a lot of liquidity. The rest is far more off. Yeah. Well. It is a lot here, 3.8 billion. That's a lot of liquidity. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna hold a level here. Would actually want to do this. Yeah, sorry, I invert my charts. Might be a really weird thing if I want to short. Yeah. But this is too much of a structure. Let me have a better look. There's nothing in between here. This would be at the 7 or the 236 level of the Fibonacci retracement. That makes it interesting. That's within the zero peak formation range. Gala is dumping. Gala looks like it. I would not long this per se here. I don't know. The thing is, it's fighting for this level, and Bitcoin is also fighting for this level. Gala actually has like this bottom wick structure here. But it can also still pump up, and if it pumps it will remain either here or to try to reclaim and retest this. This is tricky. What's Bitcoin doing? Exactly at the 800. Yeah. Bitcoin pumps back up. I would be fairly confident in OP. Because this could be a risk. And actually going back to this hold level is an 8.71 risk reward. So this I would be comfortable with. Bitcoin really gonna leave this here? Would be weird. Alpha's moving. Anchor is still consolidating. Don't see much to trade, guys, right now. Yeah, I think I would take this OP. Yeah, I'm actually gonna take it. Yeah, let's do it. See what it brings. Let's see. Come on, dumb boy. Jax is holding. Bitcoin should just leave this 800 level and fucking die. Just fucking die. OP 2.8065. Come on, OP, dump. Dump your little shit out. Still seeing 8 at Bitcoin, which I don't like. Why is there still that 8? My screen setup was messed up. They're both hanging out at a point of control. Why is Bitcoin managing to hold this? Same as yesterday. Feels like a belated move or something. Yeah, this shit has its own will. Am I missing something in chat? Let me take a look. OP limit, yeah. She's yet going down and showing weakness. I'm long BDC, and that's an it's an option. You can long BDC. Corporate profits is coming out. Preliminary. There's gonna be a big impact. Might be G20 meetings. That's not mega significant. Bitcoin is moving up, but alts are not. Not even at all. Yet. That's interesting. Oh, now they move. Still some are trailing lower. And that's something I don't trust. How's the order influx? Yeah, that's non-sustainable volume. It's actually pushing. That's crazy. This is why I don't favor trading right now. Might actually blow up really hard. Or just die off here because the pressure is way too high. Thing is, you can see the pressure, especially in these candles where there's a lot of deltas and a lot of formation, but they can snap it back up if they want to. But this is high volume. This is a lot of volume. This is pushing. All of a sudden. That's the weird shit. Just blindsides you. Oh, this is still not really moving up. Yeah, this did. This shit is crazy. Gala's also, yeah. You cannot really trade this well. You just have to wait. You We just have to wait out and see what's gonna happen. So I don't trust this move up. Honestly, I'm not really trusting it. There's a lot of FUD going on. It will hit this resistance. Had a long way. I don't know. Something just feels off. I might be wrong. Nomadic long, yeah. Big descending broader and wedge pattern. Why would, yeah, you can go long. I don't know. I'm just saying I don't know. That's all. This is not a normal formation of a structure. Especially not with the volume it's showing upwards again. That's the thing. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. This looks like it's gonna reclaim 24k again. Which even after the news yesterday is pretty ridiculous. I just like to watch. Thing is, I don't see why it would go down, and I don't see why it would go up, and that's my main concern. Yeah, listen, everything is artificial market manipulation. A market doesn't move by itself. So everything has to be manipulated to a certain extent. To what extent it gets manipulated, yeah, that's up. Yeah, but what's the correlation of Bitcoin? What's the right correlation? I don't know. The target is 25.8, potentially. Will go up because there's leftover liquidity at 69k. Yeah. Yeah, there might still be a bit of liquidity at 69. This is a lot of, like, it prints a complete green volume with 9.53k volume. That's not too shabby. That's not too shabby. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get out break even on OP here. Check audio, could go in price discovery soon. Yeah, I know it's failed, but I'm probably getting out of that OP, buddy. Depending on what Bitcoin does here. Thing is, you see this often, that it moves down, it moves down, it moves down, and then all of a sudden snaps back. Yeah, I'm getting out break even. OP limit short fill, yes, check audio. I will, give me a second. Holy Jesus, camoli. Yeah, this will go into parabolic price discovery, man. I would take this audio. depending on what the risk does here. Yeah, that's manageable. You could take this. This is actually indeed going into price discovery. Oh, Bitcoin is being such a bitch. You see that this here is like 10k volume. Then the volume is only 20% the candle after. That's weird. That's really weird. So that means there's no conviction in the move. And when I say no, I mean none. Non-existent. I think I will be able to mangle myself out of here with some profit. If you play your cards right. I'm just observing the price action. Your OP is pumping, it's good. My buy range short, that would be great. Anchor maybe break. I don't know. See, that's what I mean with the behavior of Bitcoin. It's just like not pushing. Not pushing. It just lacks downwards movement tremendously. see what happens. Still just sitting here and waiting. Just waiting. But we're not in a hurry, so that helps. I'm just charting. No, I went out of OP. Audio is a decent long gala. I don't know. Same with Ape. Ape is, or APT is pumping like crazy. Just Bitcoin did a really, really nice recovery. That is super solid. I cannot explain where the volume up and down and the momentum comes from right now. Same as OP. OP is a beast. Same as audio. If anyone took this, GG. GG. This is why I prefer longs over shorts. This is why I'm not shorting much right now. Or not much might even be an understatement. I don't short. Next to nothing. Because of this. The thing is, Bitcoin shows behavior that is not normally shown by Bitcoin. If a structure breaks, it loses the structure. That's why it's called a break of structure or a change of character. Right now, structures are being lost. Like this was lost, recovery. This was lost, recovery. That's not something that is normally seen. It has a reason why it's normally not seen, because of the volume and because of the way that things move and go. It's not normal for a coin like Bitcoin to lose significant levels. For example, 23.8, like it did here. Just consolidate and push back up. That's far from ordinary behavior, especially with the volume of Bitcoin. So that means that algorithms are changing and stuff is just moving in different direction and different ways than it has been doing previously. That makes it hard, and that also changed the methodology of trading. It also changes the background of trading and the way of trading. Same as OP. OP is so fucking strong that that thing is unbelievable. It's really unbelievable. It will just keep on pushing and keep on pumping. The same as BTC. Now BTC looks like there's nothing that can stop it from moving up more. Honestly, the strength, the way the structure forms, the formation, it looks like it can just flip this candle and move towards 26k. And the other way around, as soon as this happens, it just decides to look like it will never recover again. And that's what's scary with this market. There's no real conviction. It's a fast move, it's a big move, and it's over again. Same as this. This is 3 candle pushes, 2.5% done. Complete irrational reversal. That's what makes trading so hard right now. That's the update of those algos. But yeah, something else. Who is ready for the biggest giveaway that Bybit has ever done? Because we are actually gonna give out two full Bitcoin together with Bybit. And I think that's huge. That's really huge. At least that's my opinion. Nicholas, harsh. Yeah, you guys should be ready. Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna give out two full BTC. So that's gonna be sick. It's gonna be cool. Really looking forward to it. Yeah, right now nothing is moving. We got some news in like 20 minutes. 20 minutes. This is gonna do something. This is gonna determine where we're gonna head. Right now it's laying dead in the water. It took a big hit down. It recovered mildly, and now it's just sitting under the 24k resistance. It might completely annihilate it, move more upwards, and then just continue towards heaven and beyond. The strongest thing in the world right now is OP. It hence the name OP, overpowered. Yeah, it definitely is. Aptos is also showing strength, and for now I would just wait. I would just wait 20 more minutes till the news comes out and then just trade from there. Just have a bit of patience. Even though Bitcoin looks like it's weakening. It truly looks like it's weakening. But yeah, that can change in 1.4 seconds. Because then it blows like candles like these. Same as this one with downwards momentum. This takes a lot of volume and a lot of strength to reverse it in the method it does here. It really takes a lot. A lot of volume, a lot of power, a lot of pressure. It has it all. So, I don't know. It's scary. Just wait a bit. Give it some time. Wait for the news. See what the news does. And work from there. APT is actually under this level again, which can be an interesting entry. I'm gonna stream some more on the Discord, because then it's easier to talk to people. And I'm gonna catch you on the right next time, guys.